What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video we are going to install a HKS high power big bore exhaust on my blue Skyline. I am super excited. The exhaust is definitely going to give this car a really nice tone, and without further ado, let's get started. So as you guys can see, here's a full exhaust. It's pretty much from the Y pipe back and then all fully straight pipe to this HKS high power muffler. So I did a bit of research on the muffler. This particular high power muffler, they usually use this on the Skyline, the R32, R33, R34, and it is super cool to see something like this actually being used on the V35, the G35 as well. If you guys follow me, you guys would know that this big bore muffler was on the white Skyline, and the reason I'm changing this onto the blue Skyline is because I've got another nismo exhaust coming. So stay tuned for that. I'll be in another video. But yeah, super pumped. I think this is actually titanium as well, so it's pretty light. The rest of the exhaust is, I think it's just the factory width, 2.5 or 2.75 inch. But yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Alrighty guys, so the back of the car has been raised, and you can see here is a stock muffler and stock resonator. It's pretty simple. So remove those two bolts and that hanger and these two bolts and a couple of hangers around the stock muffler. Alright, all the exhaust has been removed. So one little tip for you guys: when you guys are removing the hanger, right, it's a big pain in the ass. What I usually do is I'll grab a WD-40, and then you see the hanger right there. What I'll do is I'll actually push the hanger back as much as I can, and I'll spray some WD-40 on there. Use your finger to spread it around, and then pull it back and forward a couple of times. So that would make it like super lubricated between the rubber and the hanger, so then when you're pulling it, it'll be way easier to come off. If you guys don't like to do that, what you can do is you can unbolt those bolts. That'll be easier. But yeah, with that being said, it's time to get the big bore on the car. As you guys can see, it's completely installed, and later on tonight there'll be a cruise, there'll be a car meet, so I'll chuck you guys a couple of exhaust clips and a cold start. Alright, so the last clip was meant to be me driving around the city, showing you guys the POV drive, but my camera decided to stop working, and so all the poles, city driving, all that kind of good stuff. Man, I'm super bummed out, and yeah, there's nothing really I can do other than doing another one. So what I decided is, since the video still have like cold start and stuff like that, then I'm gonna do a separate video for like POV drive and stuff. Maybe around the hills, maybe just do normal city driving. But yeah, that's really a unfortunate, but it is what it is. And yeah, I hope you guys still like the video, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.